Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage channel notifications in Microsoft Teams. This is super useful for staying on top of important conversations without getting overwhelmed by every single update. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct credentials so you can access all your workspaces and channels. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main Teams interface with all your options on the left sidebar. On the left side of your screen, click on Teams. This section displays all the teams and channels you're part of, making it easy to navigate between different workspaces. You'll see a list of your teams expand, showing all the channels within each one. Now select the specific channel where you want to manage notifications. This could be any channel that's been particularly active, or one where you need to stay updated on every conversation. Click on the channel to highlight it. Next, click the three dots beside the channel name. This will open a menu with several options for managing that channel. From this menu, click on Channel Notifications. This is where you'll customize exactly how and when you want to be notified about activity in this channel. You'll now see a notification settings panel. The first option you'll notice is Notify Me for all new posts. Click the drop-down menu beside it to see your choices. You can choose between Show in Activity and Banner, Show in Activity, or Off. Each option controls how prominently notifications appear when new posts are made in the channel. For this example, let's select Show in Activity and Banner. This means you'll get both a notification banner that pops up on your screen and an entry in your activity feed, ensuring you never miss important updates in this channel. Below that, you'll see a checkbox labeled Include Thread Replies. Go ahead and check this box if you want to receive notifications not just for new posts, but also for replies within those conversation threads. This keeps you in the loop even when discussions develop after the initial post. Further down, you'll find an option called Follow All New Threads. This feature is particularly handy if you want to automatically track every new conversation that starts in this channel. Click the toggle button to turn it on. When enabled, every new thread will be automatically followed and you'll receive updates according to your notification preferences. Once you've configured all your notification preferences the way you want them, click Save. This will apply all your settings immediately, and you'll start receiving notifications based on the choices you just made. And that's it. You've successfully customized your channel notifications in Microsoft Teams to match exactly how you want to stay informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.